Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Pythagora 2.0. In order to do so, here we are at Pythagora.ai. And what is Pythagora all about? Well, it's the world's first all-in-one AI development platform. Specs in seconds, front end in minutes, back end in hours. And if you want to learn more about 2.0, you can come here and watch the video. We can either start in web or we can start in VS Code. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the home page here. From prompt to production, plan, know what gets built, task endpoints, APIs before writing any code. Build, full stack implementation, React, Node.js, MongoDB, REST APIs, production ready. Debug, if something breaks, debug with real tools, logs, breakpoints, pair programming. One-click AWS deployment or take your code someplace else. Zero vendor lock-in. Technical features that matter. We've got the let's see, the junior here, mid-level, and senior. So we have them all here in one place. Built-in logs, breakpoints, and step debugging. Remove the guesswork. Full code ownership. Modify, extend, or rewrite as needed. Pythagora codes with you, explaining what it built and what's next. Smart inline code review. One-click deployment. VS Code interface you're already familiar with. And we've got some testimonials here. So we have the Lens tool, helps developers quickly navigate, query, and debug their SQLite database, making troubleshooting faster and more efficient. It's an essential tool for all developers at Pythagora. LLM prompt eval. LLM prompt eval tool lets Pythagora developers test prompts across multiple large language models, compare results, and assess success rates used daily. How we stand out, you can see here we have requirements: first, development, complete app architecture, production ready, AWS infrastructure, professional debugging tools, full code ownership and privacy, enterprise grade internal tools. Requirements: first, development, and according to their site here, they check all the boxes compared to other AI app builders. And you can click here to start building. Privacy secured by Pythagora. Only your team has access to deployed apps. Access to the apps you've built is enforced at the infrastructure level. Pythagora manages your security so you don't have to worry about vulnerabilities or data breaches. We can take a closer look at the FAQs here. There's some more information that we could take a look at. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing, because that's always important. Get started for free. Only upgrade when your project needs more power. So we have the free starter version, and we can use your own API keys, build front-end only apps, watermark on deployed apps. And we've got the Pro for $49 a month. You get everything in the starter, plus build front stack apps, front end and back end, set up and connect the database, deploy apps without watermarks, and 100 million tokens included, I'm assuming. We've got the premium for 89, and we've got the enterprise. You can contact them for more information. So that's what you're looking at for the subscription tier there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the start in web option, and we'll go ahead and continue with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, setting up our Pythagora workspace. Okay, so we can choose our theme, get started with VS Code for the web. Let's see, that's okay. Just the right amount of view. Okay, I guess we'll, oh, okay, here we go. Dark, high contrast. Uh-oh, we have become unresponsive. Let's go ahead. Can we wait? Will it let us get back into it? Okay, seems like it's okay. Rich support for all your languages. Unblock productivity. Okay, I think we can mark done. But it does seem like we're stuck here again. So there you go. Real time. That's what you might experience here. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. It's decided to wake up again. And we can create a new file. So let's go ahead and try doing that. But it still seems like we're having some issues here. Okay. Let's go ahead and refresh our page. Let's see if that helps us out at all. All right. Brings us back. All right. I think we are in business. Let's go ahead and click new file. Kind of just jumped right in. So, a little bit of technical difficulty here up front, but at the very least, we're on our way. What describes you the best? Let's see here. I'm gonna call myself a junior developer. What would you like to use Pythagora for? Building my startup. How big is your company? 1 to 5. Where did you find about Pythagora? Let's just say Google. What is the problem you are trying to solve? I want to create a CRM that works like Trello but enables me to schedule follow-up emails and send them automatically. Let's see here. Well, shall we try that out? Let's see. Can we just hit tab and will that? Nope, it's not going to do that. Okay, let's think of what we're going to do here. Okay, want a website for consultations for Skillcraft AI, a platform that helps educate users on AI and assist for business implementation and creative projects. People should be able to schedule consultations and training as well as media projects, etc. And it should have some basics such as FAQ and chat help. We're going to go ahead and hit continue on that. And Pythagora is already starting with the prompt and ending with the working solution. Specs in seconds, front end in minutes, back end in hours. So start with the prompt here. Well, I thought we just did that. So I guess it wants me to do it again. Okay. Let's just take it step by step here. Okay. It would have been nice if it would have pulled from what I said before, but I guess we just got to go ahead and do that. But it looks like Pythagora is at work. So we have already, without too much effort, been able to crack the seal here on Pythagora. So that gives you an idea of what you're going to expect once you are getting started for the first time and putting in some basic information, and then how long it's going to take you to get to the point to where you're actually developing an idea and then getting some results here. So let's see here. Oh, okay. I really like what we're seeing. This looks really quite nice. Okay. Okay. Are you satisfied with the project description? Yes. Checking the complexity of the prompt. I think it's rather straightforward. Shouldn't be too difficult. This is the thing with platforms like this, is depending on what you're looking to do will determine how much of an effort you have to put in, because you might have to do some troubleshooting, and the more complex your ideas, the more that you're going to have to spend time with it just to make sure that it's really getting all the details right and you're getting something that isn't half baked. So we're building the APIs, we're developing the services, it's working, building the front end. It might take a couple minutes. So let's just go ahead and let this cook for a moment. Okay, and as you can see, it's building the front end. We've got layout, we've got a header, we've got a sideboard, services, dashboard. It's all coming together here for us. So this is taking a goodly amount of time, but so far I like what I'm seeing. I like how this is coming together, and it's been really quite easy to get in and start getting some results. You can see here that we're just about done here. So we'll just go ahead and give it another moment. Okay, so We seem to have gotten somewhere here. Now it says you can use any email password in the front end phase. So let's go ahead and just try that. Okay. Okay. Doesn't like that. That's fine. We're just testing this out right now. Well, we just have to get that sorted here pretty soon. But here we go. I like the way it looks. Open in browser. Let's try. I don't want to do that just yet here. But here we go. We've got very, very nice. So this is something that I was able to build with Pythagora in a very short amount of time. And obviously we can get into the nitty gritty here and see exactly, like, let's go ahead and check out, let's see what happens if we click on AI consultation. Is that going to take us anywhere? So this, I've seen in other instances as well, where just being able to click on things and have it go somewhere, that's something that you have to spend more time to make sure that that's all sorted out. So this is still just kind of superficial, but we have here a pretty nice looking website to get started. So once we're ready to deploy, then we can come down here to the deploy option, but we're not quite there yet. So at the very least, though, this gives you an idea of what to expect with Pythagora. And I think that I'm pretty impressed with the results. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.